Hey, this is your math students. Welcome to homework 2.11, multiply and divide integers. If you watch the video, you can go ahead and check mark. This is due tomorrow. Calculators are okay, and the main thing you're going to want to make sure you label though is the type and whether your answers can be positive or negative. All right, so it says find each product. That means we're multiplying. Right off the bat, number one, we have -6 times -7. Those are same signs, so we know same signs positive, right? So therefore, we know our answer can be positive. We can cross off all the negatives. 6 times 7, 42. Right? Number 3, 10 times -12. We have different signs, DSN, different signs negative, just like from the notes today. So we know our answer is going to be negative, so therefore we can cross off D and A. So 10 times 12 is 120, but it's a negative 120, so C. You even want to put down the word negative to help you out on these. Put down the word positive to help you out on these. You can just kind of reinforce your answer. All right, for number 5, I've got -2 times 6 times 4 times -1. So first of all, I have an even amount of negatives. Even negatives, I got 2 of them. So if I have an even amount, my answer is going to be positive. If I have an odd amount, my answer is going to be negative. So 2 times 6 times 4 times 1. Just ignore the signs for right now. That's 12 times 4 times 1. That's 48 times 1. And that's 48. So D is our answer. We already said so because positive, we have 2 negatives. Therefore, it's going to be positive. Again, odd amount of numbers, your answer would be negative. All right, for number 7, it says find each quotient. -18 divided by -2. Those are same signs positive, right? P stands for positive, so our answer is going to be positive. Cross off any negatives, and 18 divided by 2 is obviously 9. Number 9, 40 divided by -8. Again, different signs, negative. So our answer is going to have a negative in it. So cross off anything that doesn't have a negative. So goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Look at that. Only D is our answer. 40 divided by 8 is 5. And since it's a -8, it is -5. All right. I'm going to do this problem for you. It says Jeff is scuba diving while he's on vacation. Yesterday, he dove down -13 feet. Today, he plans to go 4 times as deep. How far is Jeff planning to dive today? So what do we know? We know he's on vacay, but also yesterday he dove -13 feet. He plans to dive 4 times as much as yesterday. What we want to find out is how far will he dive today. So you got Jeff here. I'll draw a little stick figure. This is a GF, and he's going to go down -13 feet. But then he's going to do that times 4 today, right? So basically, first of all, you're going to label this problem. Obviously, it's DSN, different signs negative, so our answer can be negative. Basically, then you're just going to say 13 times 4. So what is that? That is 52, but remember it's a -52, and please put your units feet. Don't just say -52. Nobody knows what that means. -52 feet, right? Cool, that's showing all your work there. So I'm going to leave the other problems to you. Including these back problems. What do we know? What do we want to find out? Those are questions, so please make sure you fill them out thoroughly. There's only 2 of them on the back, so remember what average is all about. We've done average before.